Using the Visla AI video generator saves me so much time. Hi, I'm Gaozong. I do content at Visla. Something I've been doing to get creative with our social media content is to use our AI video generator to create holiday-specific videos like this one. As a company, it's important to create holiday-specific content because it allows you to connect with your audience, to show brand personality, and to increase brand visibility. To create your own video, go to Visla and start an idea to video project. Then type in your prompt like, create a video celebrating, insert your holiday here, let's say Earth Day. I've also done prompts like, talk about the origins of X holiday. So you don't have to make a celebration video, it could be something adjacent to the holiday. So now I'll generate the video. You can preview it.
Earth Day is a time to reflect on the beauty and wonder of our planet. From the stunning natural landscapes.
Generally this is good enough, but if you want to edit any of the clips, you can click on edit, and here you'll be able to select different clips for each scene, change any of the wording in your video, and the audio as well. I actually like the video the way it is, so I'm going to export. It even creates a title, description, and tags for your video that you can take and use on other platforms. So from here, you can just grab the link to share, download the video, so that you can upload to any other social platform. It's very quick and easy, so try it out and let us know what you think.